Vlogmas, day 6. If you can hear the geese at that pond behind me, pond's totally full and it's so loud. Hello ladies. It's going. Gosh, you guys can't walk right underneath me. Like, yes we can. Look what happens if you put the bucket down. Excuse me, you're very pretty. You're supposed to be a hen. You're not a hen, you're a rooster. Hi, what you want to do? Frozen salad, huh? Now, I put enough food out for you all. Come on, dude. Look, food bucket. I know, shocker. Come on. I got a silly name. How come I name you Maud? You're so pretty though. Tia. Hi, Tia. Tia. She's the only one we got expecting a full from in the spring. She never comes up to say hi. She's like, nope, and I still won't. You're such a good, handsome boy. I love your shark fin. I love this. Whatever this is, I love this. Yeah, those two girls who could care less about what I am doing and just want food. But the boys, they want to know what's going on. And then we have the jealous crew. The very, very jealous crew. See, because they're all dark right now. So Hoopla's the easy one. Hoopla's that one. And it goes Tuna, Fat Camp, and Dude. I have the whole bar to myself. And they're making me something really fancy with sugar and whipped cream.
And it involves a shaker.
Oh, a shaker. You want to say goodbye to day 6? You want to say goodbye to day 6?